All right, the last button to learn in Final Forms is the export button. The export button can be reached in any mode. So if you're in the athletic mode, or you're in the academic mode, or you're in the medical mode, you can reach this export button. The export button allows you to export a few different things that you might find useful. One, at the top, these are printable options such as the emergency medical cards, the transportation cards, the T cards, mailing labels, or mailing labels for parents. Show you how that opens up. Now I am on a Mac, and I also do have my Google Chrome set to a different PDF reader than perhaps some of you have, so there might be some differences. So if you experience differences, you can reach out and we'll try and get you fixed in the way that you would like it to show up. But here's kind of how it should show up relatively. If I hit e-cards, it would grab my students' emergency med cards, and I have 4 selected, but it's 2 per page. I can change that. Right here, I can go 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Depends on how I want to do it. Now, once you're there, you should see it, and you simply hit print. Should pull up your version of the printer. You want to make sure you're on the correct printer. Currently, I'm on the Google Cloud Print, which has the blue guy, but you all probably would see all Konicas at FCS Print. So whatever your preferred printer is, and then you would print. So if we press back, same rules apply to the T cards. Transportation cards come out. I can pick the format that I would like. I can hit print. I can pick the printer I would like, and I can print it. I'm going to hit back. Mailing labels. This is where it might look a little different on your computer depending on which PDF reader you have set up on your browser. I happen to have Cami, which is our district paid for PDF annotator. So mine's going to open up in that. So when you click it, it should open up in some version of a PDF reader. Mine's going to open in Cami, and I could print this. Alternatively, could hit the mailing labels for parents. It's doing this because I already opened it once before. So I could print that as well. Now underneath that are a CSV file and practices. Now these bottom ones, these are not ones that you would typically as a teacher be utilizing. This one you might, and this is basic student information in a CSV, which is a comma separated value file. And basically what this is whatever you want in terms of a spreadsheet program, you could download this and put it into. So if you use Google Sheets, if you're still an Excel user, or if you use the Apple version, which happens to be numbers, it would open up in a data set that you could look at and you could manipulate in your spreadsheet. So again, that's export e-cards or emergency medical cards, T cards or transportation cards, mailing labels of 2 different types, or a CSV file that you could upload into a spreadsheet and manipulate from there. Make charts or whatever else you decide you want to do. So those are all the buttons in the Final Form system on the desktop version. And if you have any questions on Final Forms, please reach out to someone so that we can help you get the answers you need.